Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so to finish off this series, you would have seen last time I had quite a few issues with the wheels themselves. So I was using cheap trolley wheels, and they are designed for lateral load, not horizontal load. So this caused a bit of an issue with the wheels buckling and bending. So once I straightened them all up, I set out to get some scrap steel from out the back and actually welded them into the wheels to make the wheels nice and braced up and strong to stop them folding and bending sideways. I didn't record a whole lot of it. I didn't record any welding or anything like that, purely for the fact that one, it was late at night, and two, I didn't think it was even that interesting. And this is the final episode, so I didn't want to bore you too much. So we're going to crack on with some music, and you'll see the final rip of the Drift Trike.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
Alright guys, so that sums up the finale for the Drift Trike. So if you've liked the series, hit the like button, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button to stay tuned for more videos and more content. Unfortunately, it's the last day of this Drift Trike, but we're moving on to bigger and better things. So stay tuned on the channel, and cheers for watching. Peace guys!
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine. And I lost myself